Tired of missing out on bone-crushing slams and electrifying rivalries because you can't figure out how to watch WWE on Sony LIV? First things first, make sure you've downloaded the Sony LIV app from your app store. It's available on both Android and iOS. If you already have it, ensure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Open the Sony LIV app and tap on the search icon, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. This will bring up the search bar. Type WWE into the search bar. This will filter all the content, bringing WWE-related programs to the forefront. Browse through the search results. You should see various WWE shows, including Monday Night Raw, SmackDown, and pay-per-view events. Tap on the show you want to watch. Select the episode or event you want to watch, and then tap on the play button. Keep in mind that some WWE content might require a premium subscription to Sony LIV. If you encounter a lock icon or are prompted to subscribe, you'll need to purchase a Sony LIV premium plan. These plans vary in price and content, so choose the one that best suits your needs. And that's it. Now you can enjoy all the WWE action you crave right on Sony LIV. Get ready to rumble.